Almost 85% of car owners ignore these car features that make life easier. Trust me, these features would definitely surprise you. Make sure you listen, because I'll reveal to you the 15 car features you don't know exist. Stick till the end, because the last one would 100% shock you. These hacks are what separate a good driver from a bad one. Let's dive in. Secret number 15, the winter engine protector. Even if you live in a warm climate, your car might have a hidden engine block heater outlet that can be incredibly useful for maintenance and emergency situations. This feature is standard on many vehicles sold in northern markets, but often goes unnoticed in warmer regions. The outlet is usually located behind the front grille or under the hood, covered by a small plastic cap with a power cord symbol. Engine block heaters keep your engine oil warm in extreme cold, making winter starts easier and reducing engine wear during cold startup cycles. But here's the brilliant part. Even if you never use it for its intended purpose, this outlet can power maintenance equipment like air compressors, work lights, or even emergency devices during roadside breakdowns. It's like having a built-in extension cord specifically designed for automotive use. Professional mechanics love cars with block heater outlets because they can power diagnostic equipment directly from the vehicle's electrical system without draining the battery. This can be crucial for troubleshooting electrical problems or performing long diagnostic procedures that would otherwise require external power sources. Here's something that'll blow your mind. Block heater-equipped vehicles command higher resale values in northern markets, and many buyers specifically look for this feature when shopping for used cars. Let me explain it to you. Using an engine block heater can potentially save you money on repairs by reducing wear and tear on your engine, especially in cold climates. Now that's a useful feature that could save you tons of money. Secret number 14, personal security programming. Did you know most cars can be programmed to automatically lock or unlock based on your personal preferences? This isn't just a luxury car feature. It's hidden in most vehicles built after 2005. Here's a pro tip most drivers never share. You can typically program your car to lock when you reach a certain speed, unlock when you put it in park, or even unlock only the driver's door first for security. Here's how it works. The process usually involves a specific sequence of turning your key in the ignition and pressing certain buttons, but every manufacturer has their own secret code. Here's an example. In many Ford vehicles, you turn the ignition from off to run 8 times within 10 seconds, ending in the run position. The doors will lock and unlock to confirm you're in programming mode. Then you can adjust settings like auto lock timing and which doors unlock first. This feature isn't just about convenience, it's about security and safety. Auto locking prevents you from accidentally leaving your car unlocked in dangerous areas, while selective unlocking means potential carjackers can't immediately access your passengers when you stop at a traffic light. The best part, once you program these settings, they stay in your car's memory even if you disconnect the battery. Your vehicle literally learns your preferences and adapts its behavior accordingly. It's like having a personal assistant that remembers exactly how you like things done every single time you drive. Secret number 13, intelligent cruising modes. Your adaptive cruise control has hidden settings that can dramatically change how aggressively or conservatively it behaves in traffic. Most drivers never explore these options and miss out on a much more personalized driving experience. Here's something you won't expect. The follow distance setting usually has 3 or 4 levels, from close following for aggressive drivers to extended distance for more conservative drivers. But many systems also let you adjust acceleration and braking behavior, making the system feel more like your personal driving style. This will surprise you. Some advanced systems can even be programmed to remember different settings for different drivers, automatically adjusting based on which key fob is being used. This means you and your spouse can have completely different cruise control personalities without constantly reprogramming the system. Here's a feature that amazed me. Some newer adaptive cruise control systems can actually learn from your driving habits. They monitor how you typically accelerate, brake, and follow other vehicles, then gradually adjust their behavior to match your style. It's like the car is learning to drive like you. Did you know the most advanced systems integrate with GPS and traffic data to predict slowdowns in construction zones, adjusting speed even before visual obstacles appear? This predictive capability can improve fuel economy and reduce wear on brakes by avoiding unnecessary speed changes in stop-and-go traffic. Secret number 12, hidden headlight scrubbers. Many cars have hidden headlight cleaning systems that most owners never discover. These systems are designed to keep your headlights clear of road grime, salt, and debris that can reduce visibility by up to 50%. Pro tip, headlight washers usually activate automatically when you use your windshield washer fluid, but only if your headlights are turned on and the system detects they haven't been cleaned recently. Some systems spray every 5th or 6th time you wash your windshield, while others have manual activation buttons hidden in the dashboard. The washers are usually small nozzles located in or near your front bumper. If your car has headlight washers, make sure to keep your washer fluid reservoir filled and use a quality fluid designed for all weather conditions. The system shares the same reservoir as your windshield washers, so running out of fluid affects both systems. Clean headlights can improve your nighttime visibility by up to 40%, making this feature well worth maintaining properly. But here's what's really smart about this system. Your car actually keeps track of how many times you've washed your windshield and automatically decides when your headlights probably need cleaning too. It's not random. The computer figures that if you've used your windshield washer several times, your headlights are probably getting dirty from the same road conditions. Pretty clever engineering when you think about it. The funny thing is, most people accidentally discover this feature when they're washing their windshield and suddenly get sprayed by these mystery nozzles they never knew existed. I've seen people jump out of their cars thinking something broke, when really their car was just trying to help them see better at night. The washers are usually hidden so well that you might never notice them until they start working. Here's what makes this really useful. Dirty headlights don't just look bad, they can cut your visibility in half without you even realizing it. The grime builds up so gradually that your eyes adjust to the dimmer light, but you're actually driving with significantly reduced illumination. Pro tip, if you notice your headlights seem dimmer than they used to be, try cleaning them manually first before assuming the bulbs are dying. You might be surprised how much brighter they get with just a good wash. Secret number 11, digital pressure dashboard. Your tire pressure monitoring system can tell you the exact pressure in each individual tire, not just warn you when something's wrong. Well, let me explain. This information is usually buried in your car's computer menu system, but accessing it can help you spot problems before they become dangerous. This feature is incredibly useful for detecting slow leaks, uneven wear patterns, or pressure differences that could affect handling and fuel economy. Instead of waiting for the warning light to come on when pressure drops dangerously low, you can monitor trends and address issues proactively. Professional drivers and car enthusiasts use this information to optimize their tire pressures for different driving conditions. Slightly higher pressure for highway driving improves fuel economy, while slightly lower pressure can improve traction in certain weather conditions. Having real-time data lets you make informed decisions. But here's what's surprising. You can actually watch your tire pressures change in real time as you drive. Cold tires might start at 32 psi, but after highway driving, they'll jump to 35-36 psi as they heat up. It's like having a live dashboard showing exactly what's happening to your tires as you drive, which most people never get to see. The useful part, you can spot problems way before they become dangerous. Maybe one tire is consistently running 2 to 3 psi lower than the others. That's probably a slow leak that needs attention. Or you notice the front tires are always higher pressure than the rears, which might mean you need to adjust your maintenance routine. It's like having X-ray vision for your tires. Here's what I love about this feature. You can actually optimize your car's performance based on what you're doing. Going on a long road trip, bump up the pressure a bit for better fuel economy. Driving in snow, lower it slightly for more tire contact with the road. Pro tip, check these readings when your tires are cold in the morning. That's when you get the most accurate baseline numbers, and you can track how they change throughout the day. Get ready for something truly amazing. Secret number 10, automatic moisture detection. Your intermittent wipers are probably way smarter than you think. Most cars with rain-sensing wipers can be programmed to be more or less sensitive to moisture, and the adjustment process is usually simpler than you'd expect. Here's how it actually works. The sensitivity adjustment is typically controlled by turning the wiper stalk while the wipers are in the automatic position. Turn it up for more sensitive activation, perfect for light mist or drizzle. Turn it down if your wipers are going crazy every time a butterfly lands on your windshield. But here's a feature most people miss. Many rain-sensing systems also control your rear wiper automatically when you put the car in reverse. The logic is brilliant. If it's raining hard enough to need front wipers, you probably need rear visibility when backing up too. The sensors for this system are usually located behind your rear view mirror, which is why it's important to keep that area of your windshield clean. But here's the cool part. Your rain sensor actually shoots infrared light at your windshield and measures how much bounces back. When water hits the glass, it changes how the light reflects, and your car immediately knows it's raining. Most people think it's some kind of moisture detector, but it's actually using light beams to see the water droplets. The crazy thing, expensive cars take this way further. They'll automatically close your sunroof, turn on your headlights, and some even adjust your air conditioning when they detect rain. Your car basically becomes a weather-responding machine without you doing anything. I've seen people freak out when their sunroof closes by itself during a sudden shower. Here's what's funny. When people complain that their rain sensors don't work, it's usually just a dirty windshield or old wiper blades messing with the system. The sensor needs a clean surface to read properly, and if your wipers are streaking or chattering, they confuse the whole system. Pro tip, clean that windshield regularly and replace those wiper blades, or your smart car will start acting like it's having technical difficulties every time there's a light sprinkle. Secret number 9, electronic viewpoint memory. Your side mirrors can remember multiple driver positions, even if your car doesn't have fancy memory seats. This feature is hidden in many vehicles and can save marriages and friendships when multiple people share the same car. Let me show you how this works. The trick is usually a combination of button presses while the car is in park. In many GM vehicles, you hold the mirror adjustment button while pressing one of the radio preset buttons. The mirrors will briefly move to confirm the position has been saved to that preset number. But here's the pro tip. Some vehicles also link mirror positions to your key fob. The car automatically recognizes which key is being used and adjusts the mirrors accordingly. If your car has this feature, you can set it up through the infotainment system settings menu. This feature is particularly valuable for households where one person is significantly taller or shorter than the other. Instead of compromising on mirror positions or constantly readjusting, each driver gets perfect visibility customized to their exact seating position and eye level. It's a small comfort that makes a big difference in daily driving safety and convenience. Secret number 8, inclined rollback prevention. Most drivers think the parking brake is just for parking, but modern electronic parking brakes have a hidden feature that can prevent embarrassing and dangerous rollback on hills. When you're stopped on an incline and release the brake pedal to accelerate, there's usually a moment where your car rolls backward before moving forward. Here's the trick. Electronic parking brakes can detect this situation and automatically hold the car in place for a few extra seconds, giving you time to smoothly transition from brake to gas. Here's how this feature actually works. This feature is automatic in many cars, but can be turned on or off in the vehicle settings menu. Some systems hold for 2 seconds, others hold until they detect forward acceleration. It's one of those features that once you experience it, you wonder how you ever lived without it. Prepare to be amazed by this next feature. Secret number 7, internal safety release. Every car manufactured after 2002 has a mandatory emergency trunk release, but it's not always where you'd expect to find it. This life-saving feature glows in the dark and can be activated from inside the trunk if someone becomes trapped. The release is usually a bright yellow or green handle, T-shaped pull cord, or glow-in-the-dark button located near the trunk latch mechanism. Some luxury vehicles even have illuminated handles that automatically light up when the trunk is closed. But here's what most people don't know. These releases can malfunction or become difficult to reach, especially for children or elderly individuals. That's why some manufacturers include secondary release mechanisms like kick-activated sensors or even smartphone app controls in newer models. Parents should definitely show their children where this release is located and how to use it, but hopefully in a way that doesn't give them nightmares. It's one of those safety features that we hope never gets used, but knowing it's there provides peace of mind for situations we'd rather not think about. You won't believe what the next secret feature could do. Secret number 6, hands-free messaging tools. Your car's Bluetooth system can do way more than just play music and handle phone calls. Most systems have hidden features that can transform your driving experience if you know how to access them. Here's the kick. Many cars can read your text messages out loud, respond with pre-written replies, and even access your phone's contact list by voice command. The trick is diving into the advanced Bluetooth settings, usually found in a submenu that most people never explore. Here's a pro tip that'll blow your mind. Many Bluetooth systems can connect to multiple phones simultaneously. This means you and your spouse can both have your phones connected, and the car will automatically prioritize calls and messages from whoever is listed as the primary driver. No more fighting over whose phone gets to connect. Secret number 5, the cabin air purifier. Here's something you probably don't know. Your car has a second air filter that most people never even know exists, and it's probably disgusting right now. The cabin air filter cleans the air coming through your vents. But unlike your engine air filter, This one is usually hidden behind your glove compartment or under your dashboard. Here's the kicker. In many cars, accessing this filter is surprisingly easy once you know the trick. In most vehicles, you can remove your glove compartment entirely by squeezing the sides and letting it drop down, revealing the cabin filter housing right behind it. No tools required. The recommended replacement interval is usually every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. But if you drive in dusty conditions or during high pollen seasons, you might need to replace it more frequently. A simple visual inspection will tell you everything you need to know. If it looks like it belongs in a vacuum cleaner bag, it's time for a new one. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem. Secret number 4, precision beam alignment. Up to 70% of vehicles on the road have misaligned headlights, creating dangerous blind spots and blinding oncoming drivers. Most cars have built-in adjustment screws that let you fix this problem in minutes. Look behind your headlight housing and you'll find small adjustment screws, usually white or light-colored plastic. One controls vertical aim, the other handles horizontal alignment. With a simple Phillips head screwdriver, you can dramatically improve your nighttime visibility. Misaligned headlights aren't just annoying, they're genuinely dangerous. This simple 5-minute adjustment could literally save lives. What's even more frustrating is that many mechanics and even some dealerships don't properly check headlight alignment during routine maintenance. They'll happily sell you expensive new bulbs or entire headlight assemblies when all you really needed was a $2 screwdriver and 5 minutes of your time. Secret number 3, chassis key storage. Most modern cars come with not 1, not 2, but 3 ways to get inside when you're locked out. And most people only know about one of them. The first one would shock you. There's the obvious mechanical key hidden inside your key fob, but here's what they don't tell you. Many vehicles also have a hidden keyhole under the passenger door handle. Not just the driver's side. Pop off that little plastic cover and you've got a second entry point that thieves rarely check. But the real secret, some cars have magnetic key holders hidden underneath the vehicle from the factory. Toyota, Honda, and several other manufacturers sometimes place spare keys in magnetic boxes behind the rear bumper or under the frame rail as a dealer-installed option. Even if your car doesn't have a factory spare, you can easily add one yourself. Magnetic key holders cost less than $10 and can save you hundreds in locksmith fees. Secret number 2, sticky residue removal. Think you know how to defrost your rear window? Think again. That rear window defroster button does way more than just clear fog. Those thin lines on your rear window are electrical heating elements that warm the glass to remove frost, ice, and condensation. But here's what most people don't know. This same system works incredibly well for removing stuck-on debris like tree sap or bird droppings. Here's how it works. Turn on your rear defroster for 10 to 15 minutes, and those heated lines will warm up stubborn residue, making it much easier to remove without scratching your glass. If you live in a humid climate, running your rear defroster for a few minutes when you first start your car can prevent interior fogging throughout your drive, not just clear existing condensation. The system helps regulate moisture levels in the entire vehicle, making for a more comfortable and safer driving experience. You'd be surprised by this next secret. Secret number 1, impact force management. Ever notice that weird little fabric loop attached to your passenger seat belts? Most people think it's leftover material or a manufacturing quirk, but it's actually one of the most brilliant safety features in your car. This innocent-looking loop is called an energy management system, and it's designed to literally rip apart during a collision. When extreme force is applied, the stitching tears open, giving passengers a few extra inches of seat belt length to prevent whiplash and reduce the chances of the entire belt snapping under pressure. You'll only find this loop on passenger seat belts, never on the driver's side. This feature has been quietly saving lives for decades, yet most people have never even noticed it exists. Studies show that this simple addition reduces chest and neck injuries by up to 30% in frontal collisions. Sometimes the best safety features are the ones you hope you'll never need, but are grateful they're there. But you know what else is useful? More car tips that'll save you tons of money. Click this video if you like saving money. Trust me, you won't regret.